this is Paul Hafner, AECO Application Product Specialist. I'm going to take you through the system maintenance screens in this RoGator C Series. To access system maintenance, you have two ways you can get in there. You can hit the system maintenance icon on the white switch on the armrest, or you can hit the upper left-hand corner button. You can hit the system maintenance icon on the screen. It brings you into this screen here. And this is where you have the options for your full system recovery, your rinse options, your air boom cleanout, as well as a valve mat. So we'll start with the full system recovery. You see it gives you two options, one for full system recovery, one is called boom and manifold recovery only. The boom and manifold recovery only would be used if you have an injection system on your liquid system, and this will only clear the area from the check valve of the injection system back. So to do a recovery, first you'll go to your stop and go button. We'll turn that on, and it gives you a pop-up menu. It'll give you the instructions what you need to do. So here it's raise the boom hoist all the way up, close your bypass valve, close a manual sump valve if that's how your machine is equipped. And we'll open your manual boom recovery valve located at the back of the machine. And you're going to make sure that your three-way valve is set to the spray position. So once you've done that, you come in and hit the check mark, and then it'll tell you to make sure that the boom tips are lowered as far as possible. Once that is done, you hit the check mark again, and you'll see some information come up on the screen. So right underneath full system recovery, you see what area it's recovering and the time that's remaining on it. And your pressure gauge will show you how much pressure is in the system during that portion of the cleanout. As it's going through the steps, you will see that the countdown will continue and showing you which areas are being cleaned out. When the time comes for you to do another function, such as raise the booms up, another pop-up box will come up instructing you to do so. You'll do that function and then hit that check mark again. This system itself will take about 4 minutes to complete. At any time, if you need to stop, you can come up and hit the stop button, and then that will complete that portion of the cleanout. But if you go back to the go, it will start from the beginning again.